Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronni Rae. I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and softball videos here on YouTube. So if you're interested in any of those things, might as well subscribe and join the family. For today's video, I am literally so excited. I am going to be unboxing, reviewing, and styling my Teddy Blake bag. So Teddy Blake makes handmade handbags in Italy, and they kindly sent me one. I'm so excited to show you guys the bag that I got. It is literally so cute. So with that said, let's just go ahead and get right on started. Okay, so it came in a beautiful box, and I love handbags. Like, I love purses, I love bags. And so when Teddy Blake reached out to me to do a video, I was like, oh my god, I'm 100% down. Like, literally count me in. I love bags so much, and I'm so excited. Okay, so you open the box, and this is what it looks like. It's so nicely wrapped, and here's the bag. Okay, so they definitely take time to protect the bag, which I love. Just open it up. Oh my gosh, I love how it comes in its own dust bag, so you could like just protect it if you don't like use it and stuff like that. Okay, this is the bag that I got. Isn't it so cute? So this is the Ava 9-inch gold in gray Croco. And this bag is literally so cute. It's so stunning. It's so chic. It's so like professional looking. You know what I mean? It's very cute and it feels amazing. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. When I first got it, I did open it up and I just put it back in its wrapping for this video. So I already took out this bag and felt it and everything like that. And it is stunning. It is so beautiful. It smells like leather. These bags are 100% leather bags. So it comes with this tag that says Teddy Blake on it, and just, I didn't even read this. Are these instructions? I don't know. And then when you open it up, like that, it has straps, and I have not put the straps on yet. And tissue paper, which is great, you know, we love protection. And yeah, it has one zipper on the inside and one little pocket on the inside, and it is suede. And I say it's pretty roomy. I personally don't carry a lot of stuff. Probably will just carry like my wallet in this, maybe a lip gloss, my phone, maybe eyelash glue and tweezers, because my eyelashes always fall off. And yeah, I don't really carry a lot in here, but there's a lot of room in here. They also have this bag, the Ava bag, in different sizes. They have it in a really small size, I think a 6-inch and an 11-inch. I really like the 9-inch because I personally really like smaller bags because I just feel like super cute. So yeah, okay, this bag is literally gorgeous, and I'll put the strap on so you guys can see what it looks like with the strap on. Here's it with the strap on, and this strap is adjustable, so you can adjust it if you want it shorter or longer, which is really nice. And I got this bag with gold detailing because I personally wear a lot of gold jewelry, but they have this bag in the silver hardware as well. So if you're a silver girl, you could get this bag in silver. Yeah, that is pretty much this bag. Oh, also in the back they have a zipper, which is really nice for more storage. And at the bottom they have these little like gold things, so you don't like place your bag like right on the ground, you know what I mean? Like these little things like stop it from touching the ground. So that's really nice. But yeah, okay, so this is the bag that I got, and now I'm going to style it. I'm gonna do 3 outfits so you guys can kind of get inspo if you also want this bag that I have, or if you also want it in different colors and stuff like that, and just wanted to see how it like just wears and how it looks like on like a full body, you know what I mean? So yeah, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and change into some outfits. Okay, so I moved to my living room so you guys can see the full outfit. So this is outfit number 1. Just have a black top from Shein. This is actually Robbie, so thank you to Robbie for letting me borrow this. I have these white ripped jeans from Abercrombie, and then I'm just wearing, oh my gosh, I almost fell. And then I'm just wearing these really cute little black slides. So yeah, this is a very simple, cash outfit. I just think this bag is super cute, and it fits my body like so well. Like, it's just not too big. It's like the perfect size. So I think this bag looks so cute with this outfit. Okay, now I'm gonna get into my second outfit. Okay guys, so this is the second outfit. This is also another really cute outfit. I just have a black, what is this? Turtleneck from Garage. These shorts are also from Garage, and then I'm just wearing Nike Air Force Ones with crew socks. I would also style this outfit with these sunglasses. These sunglasses are from Free People. So yeah, this is outfit number 2. Super cute, super stylish. This is kind of just like going shopping really quick, lunch with the boyfriend. Yeah, super comfy, super cash. And then you have the bag to kind of add a little spice to the outfit, feel a little bougie. Okay, now going on to the last outfit, outfit number 3. Alright guys, so here is the third and final outfit. This is a really cute matching sweatsuit from Pink. It's just a regular black cropped sweater and then really cute black sweat bottoms. And then I'm also wearing the UGG like slip-on slipper things. And these are also in black. So to me, this outfit would kind of be like a chill, no makeup day, going to Target real quick, and maybe going to the doctor's, I don't know. And I would also put these glasses on as well. You know, just like a cute, casual, no makeup day, and then bam, this luxury handbag, just to kind of go with it to make it seem like, yes, I am super casual, yes, I do want to be comfy today, but I'm also a bad bitch. I think this outfit is super cute, super comfy, and yeah, let me know which was your favorite outfit down below. Alright guys, so that is gonna be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you again to Teddy Blake for working with me on this video. Like I said at the beginning, I like love handbags, I love purses. I'm just like, ooh, I love handbags. So I'm so happy to be like growing my collection. So far I only have like 4 bags right now. I could do like a bag collection if you guys want. I don't know, it's only 4. But yeah, so I'm so happy to add this to my bag collection. Go ahead and check out Teddy Blake. I'll have a link down below to this exact bag if you guys want it. And I'll also have a link down below to Teddy Blake's IG so you guys could see other people like styling different Teddy Blake bags. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you want to see more videos from me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 40,000 subscribers, so if you could help me in that, that'd be greatly appreciated. But yeah guys, that is it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!